Well, we're just gonna replace
Man,
it.
I wish my pops was here. Come and look at it here too. What the fuck's wrong with it? Looked like a cat was in there. Sorry, Steve.
Mm-hmm.
Brake fluid. You take it out. You don't need no vacuum.
No. Wow. Where's your fingers?
No.
Oi.
Oh, fucking oil, bro. What this shit?
There we go. Oh, dirty my shirt.
I'm dirty. I gotta wash my clothes right now. Bitch, it's been. Make a video.
Later. Automatic.
It's just scared the fuck out of me. That's not a lock hold, it's a key now.
In great condition. Just needs to get cleaned up. 3 rows. Third row seating. Very nice. Very nice. Let me see under the. La madre. Open it real quick.